Draft Alpha AI is one of the latest AI tools making waves in the industry, and today we're breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or just someone looking to boost productivity, this could be the next big thing in your toolkit. And the best part? You can try Draft Alpha AI for free from the first link in the description below. Stay tuned as we dive into everything you need to understand before you start using this tool. Trust me, you'll want to know what's coming up. Draft Alpha AI is designed to streamline and supercharge content creation. It's a highly versatile platform that can be used for everything from generating high-quality written content to handling your social media management needs. But it's not just another AI writing tool. What sets Draft Alpha apart is its ability to generate content that feels incredibly natural while maintaining a coherent voice across different types of platforms and niches. It's AI with a human touch, making it stand out in a crowded market of AI tools. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you start using Draft Alpha AI is how quickly it gets up to speed with your brand's tone and style. This software doesn't just spit out generic content like some of the others. It learns from your input and adapts, so over time, it gets better at understanding your preferences. It's like having a content assistant that gets smarter the more you work with it. Whether you're writing blog posts, crafting product descriptions, or creating social media updates, Draft Alpha AI will help you produce copy that resonates with your audience. Another standout feature is the level of customization this software offers. You can adjust settings to fine-tune the output to match your exact needs, from tone to structure and even specific phrasing. If you want your content to be more formal or casual, it can do that. If you needed to follow a particular format or flow, Draft Alpha AI has you covered. The flexibility here is really what makes it one of the best just-released AI software tools out there. For digital marketers, Draft Alpha AI is a game changer. It can generate SEO-optimized content with the keywords you need, ensuring that your content ranks high in search engines. It can even analyze competitors and suggest improvements to make your content more competitive. This is a big deal if you're trying to stay ahead in the ever-changing world of online marketing. Let's talk about user experience. Draft Alpha AI is incredibly easy to navigate. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find the interface intuitive and straightforward. This is important because many AI tools can be overwhelming with their complex setups. But with Draft Alpha AI, it's simple to get started right out of the gate. When it comes to pricing, Draft Alpha AI offers a range of plans to suit different needs, from individual users to larger teams. And yes, as mentioned earlier, you can try it for free from the first link below. You get access to its core features with no commitment, which means you can test it out, see how it works, and decide if it's the right tool for you before you invest. Now, what makes Draft Alpha AI even more powerful is its ability to integrate with other tools. If you're already using project management software, email marketing platforms, or CRM systems, Draft Alpha can easily sync up with those, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. This seamless integration is another reason why it stands out among the latest AI software releases. So, why should you be paying attention to Draft Alpha AI? Well, if you're looking for a tool that will save you time, improve your content quality, and give you an edge over competitors, this software is definitely worth a closer look. As someone who's tried thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Draft Alpha AI brings real value to the table. Before we wrap up, remember, I've included links to my top recommended AI software in the description below, all of which you can try for free. I've tested these tools, and they've all made a significant impact on my workflow, so don't miss out on giving them a try. If you found this review useful, be sure to check out Draft Alpha AI for free and see how it can boost your productivity. Happy creating!